Okay, we're operating right now at 2% battery. We didn't have much time, but let's take a look at what we got going on here.
My name is Marvin Caribou.
We got some vegetables. We're gonna need to add a little bit of margarine in there, or some oil. Take a look here. And let's get the more overhead look. We got a pan in here, it's probably warm enough. I mean dry enough. That's some rice over there. We got a pan in here, it's probably warm enough. I mean dry enough. That's some rice over there. We got a pan in here, it's probably warm enough. I mean dry enough. That's some rice over there. This rice has been cooked long enough. And let's put some of this in here. There we go. See how I stir everything around and make sure it's blended? See, that's going to save you a lot of time. Actually, you shouldn't use a metal spoon and a Teflon. It's bad, it can scratch it. So I'm just going to just touch it really lightly on the top there. All of a sudden I have a Southern accent, which means I'm either crazy or I'm one of those guys that sells gold on TV and gold and jewelry. And the thing is, if you keep watching this show right now, I can reduce the price of this Teflon frying pan from $3,000 to $300. That's a steal. Yeah. You're basically inserting cylinder objects into my ass and I'm just allowing it to happen. That's what a nice guy I am, see? We got Simpsons on in the background, which could be some kind of copyright. Does Disney own them too? I don't even know.
Josiah, you gotta hurry. We gotta get you dressed so the police can come and get you.
No, I don't want to do that.
Cadence, you gotta get dressed so the police can come and get you too.
You really have time for practice.
You ready to go to jail?
Let's start making some chicken, actually. Where the hell's the chicken? Okay, we got 4 chicken strips. And these aren't just any chicken strips, these are like pub strips. So when you go to the bars and you pay that money for them chicken strips, it's the same stuff. I know how to make it just like them, and we're gonna save you a lot of money. We're gonna reduce that price from $300 down to $294. Okay, so it's almost time to take out the chicken strips. A nice clean plate. Always use a hot mitt to take things out of the oven. Ouch! Probably go a little longer.
So I showed him. I had one of my boobs reduced.
Sounds like Bart. That's so weird.
That left boob was too good for him.
Okay, those over here. I'm going very softly with my spoon here because I can't find any good plastic utensils. I think I should buy some. There's a spatula, but it's got egg all over it, and that takes like 10 minutes to clean off. Is this even on the camera? Oh man, I can't even see it on the camera. Damn it. I don't have a cameraman, so sometimes I forget to do things properly. Just use your imagination. I'm putting onions and green pepper from the pan in to the pot. Here, see? Look. There we go. Now let's dump it out here. Actually, let's use a hot mitt. Now the idea of chopped chicken pieces in here sounds really refreshing. But we're kind of in a hurry, so I think we're just gonna put the chicken strips in and gnaw on them and devour them as we go. Okay, there's lots of vegetables underneath. The presentation kind of sucks, but I'm not actually a cook, as you can probably already tell. Okay, let's get these chicken strips. Okay. There we go. Dinner is served. Voila.
Now doesn't it make you feel better?